Okay, this is your first introduction on graphing lines. So graphing linear equations. Linear, so you've got the root word there is line. Essential question, how can you use x and y values and graph a line? Okay, so we're going to start out with some of these. First thing you need to know, linear equation, an equation whose graph is a line. So like I said, the root word is line for linear. Solutions are just points on the line. So that's what we're going to start off with first. So we're going to learn about inputs and outputs, x and y. This is why we've done so many graphing reviews with the pictures, so we can remind you how to graph coordinates. So when we're going to do this step number 1, you're going to input your x values into your linear equation. So this is your linear equation. These are your x values. So we're going to take -1 and we're going to plug it in here where it used to say x, but now we're going to plug in -1. And anytime you input something, it has to be in parentheses. This is really important now. Okay, so now we have 2 times -1 is -2. -2 plus 1 is -1. So we end up with -1, which was our x value, and -1, which is our y value. Okay, so we'll do it again. We have x equals 0, so we're going to plug in a 0. So we have 2 times 0, which is 0, plus 1 is 1. So we had 0, and when we plugged it in, the answer we got was 1. So then we've got 2 for x, so we're going to plug in a 2 right there. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So our x value, which always comes first, they're alphabetical, is 2, and our y value that matches it is a 5. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do, step 1, plug in your x's, find your y's. Step 2, plot the ordered pairs. Okay, so we're going to go through and write our ordered pairs are -1, -1, 0, 1, and 2, 5. Now, this isn't the best graph, but this is what we're going to use. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, your lines don't need to be exactly perfect, but they do need to be there. Which axis is this guy? Is this the x or the y? Okay, this one's x. That makes this guy y. Remember when I showed you that this is the y's tail? Okay, so that one's the y. So now we're just going to go plot our points. So we always start at the origin. Then we do -1, so left 1. -1 again, so that's down 1. Then we have the coordinate 0, so we go to the origin again. So 0 left or right, up 1. Then we go back to the origin. We go right 2 and up 5, and we're right here. Then we're going to use a ruler, because anything drawn without a ruler is going to be a very, very, very sad thing. And yes, mine are not perfect because I didn't use a real graph. And these lines are so hard to draw in OneNote, and I apologize. All right, that is page 1. So go ahead